Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Wallstreet Auto C4 Pro bot, okay? And this is how we do it. So the first thing, ensure you have uploaded the bot to Deriv, okay? Once you do that, simply click on this open icon, all right? Once you click on that open icon, you will see that your bot has been successfully imported. And now this is the first look you will have of the bot, okay? Now, after you're headed here, this is how you set up the bot because it can really challenge you if you're not familiar with it, okay? Now, the first thing, we have the market. I know most of you are familiar with the different markets that we have. We have the derived market, the forex market, the stock indices market, and the commodities market. And then we have this section here whereby you can select the specific section. Let's say you're trading derived. Is it continuous indices? Is it daily reset, crash, or boom indices, jump indices, step indices, forex basket, or commodities basket? After that, you can come and select the specific volatility, the digits. I know most of you are familiar with this section. I told you always ensure you select one, not over, not under, not both. Ensure it is either over or under. So you can select over. And then the default candle interval, don't tamper with that, leave it as it is. This section here, leave it as it is. The set stake, now listen carefully. The set stake, it is the first stake the bot will use. So in this case, I can just say $10 because I'm using the demo to demonstrate this. And then the set win stake. The win stake also set to the same amount as the stake, because the win stake is basically the stake the bot will continue using after a win. So always ensure it is the same to ensure consistency and to prevent blowing your account. Now, after you're done with that, you can come here and set your expected profit. So I just leave mine at 100, and then you can also set your stop loss. So I can just leave mine at 200. Okay? All right. Now, this section here, don't tamper with it. Duration of ticks, leave it as it is, 1. Don't touch this. Prediction, this is where you set your prediction. Okay? Let me show you guys. Let's just scroll. Okay, this bot can be quite tricky to use. Okay, so you have a prediction, the test. So for prediction, just lift this section right here. Tap here. Okay. Oh, now let me move this here. Now, I want you to scroll like this. Okay, just scroll. Okay, let me move this to... All right, this is how you do it, guys. Now, once you have set everything, you have set your stake, your win stake, you have set your expected profit and expected loss. This is what you do, because most people have been contacting me asking me, how do I set up the prediction in the Wallstreet Auto C4 Pro bot? Okay, just come here. You see the section after prediction, click on it once and then drag it up. As you can see here, we have the prediction that is set to 0. So I want you to click on 0 and select the number that you are predicting. This only do this after you have done the analysis. Luckily for you, I've made several videos on how to do analysis for various digits in various markets. So once you do your analysis, let's say you have done the analysis for over 2, you'll just come here and then set your prediction to 2. Okay, and then once you set it, grab this block and then return it to where it was. So I'll just return mine like that. All right, and once you do that, come and do your confirmation, ensure everything is okay. And then once you're done, guys, just continue and press run. Okay, for section 2, don't touch anything. For this section, don't touch anything. This is what runs the bot, so please don't interfere with that. Okay, so once you're done, guys, simply come and click run. Once you click run, you will see the message from the bot developer right there. You can see the name of the developer and everything. Just go and click, and then you will see diversify your investments to manage risk, set clear goals. A simple encouraging message and telling you to be careful, and then simply click OK, and your bot will start running immediately. And that is how you simply set up and use the Wallstreet Auto C4 Pro bot. Now, to get this bot, it is in a package. So what I usually offer is various packages for bots. All right. If you want to get this bot alone, it is $3. Okay, you'll get this bot plus 2 other bots plus 5 documents. If you want to get 20 bots and 20 documents, it will be $7. If you want to get 50 bots and 50 documents containing various trading strategies, it will be $10. And these are the best bots in the market, not only bots. If you want to get more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents containing various trading strategies, it will cost you 20 USD and you'll get every bot that you'll ever need at once. So you'll never need to worry about a bot ever again in your life, okay? Yeah, so guys, this is a very, very beautiful, nice bot. It can really make you good money. If you do your analysis correctly and set it up correctly, you will really, really grow your account. So guys, basically that is how you use and set up the Wallstreet Auto C4 Pro bot. If you want to get it, my number is in the description. Simply WhatsApp me and I will send you the instructions on how to get the bot. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you like and please make sure you share this video to anyone who you know is interested in trading so that they don't miss out. And please guys, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever we upload new videos, and please turn on that notification bell so that you never miss out on any video. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching this video and let us meet in the next one.